Xiaomi Note 14 Pro Plus with broken screen. Let's remove the back panel first by heating it up. And use a plastic plunger to remove the back glass. Once back glass is removed, unscrew all the screws which are holding the panels. Once all the screws are removed, then you have to remove the plastic bracket. Be careful because there is an antenna which is holding. Clip it off and then clip off all the LCD and battery connectors. And then you have to use the plastic plunger to remove the small parts. Once all the small parts are removed, then remove the LCD cable and the charging cable. Get the new LCD ready to install all the components back. Now you have to reassemble it and put all the small parts back onto the frame. Be gentle, don't push anything too hard. And then put all the cables back. And then install the board. Make sure LCD and charging cables are connected properly. Put the battery back into the frame. And put the plastic brackets back. And then screw them back. Now you have to put adhesive to put the back glass on. Make sure it's aligned and sitting properly. Now check the screen, it's all working fine.